Over here. I'm filming over here, so you know.
It's up to you.
It's cool.
Ladies and gentlemen, please use all available doors on the Queensbound Archway on the MTA Expressway. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Queensbound ARC train running on the M line. Next up will be 14th Street. Please use all available doors on the Uptown ARC train at West 4th Street. Ladies and gentlemen, because of an ongoing investigation at 14th Street on the Queensbound ARC line, some Queensbound ARC trains will run on the Queensbound N line from Broadway Lafayette into Queens.
Just off the bat, I have to go online at train action because so many videos. Now it's only an hour and 60. They're getting credit from it. Huh? Because you came along. Can't turn the camera off.
Ladies and to Queens-bound R train. This train will run on the M line from West 4th Street, making all local stops into Queens.
14th Street.
This was Park Slope back in the day, yo. It's like a real thing on Prospect Avenue, man. I don't know what we're going to do about that Z train.
We're not making it.
It's good though, right? I definitely gotta give you credit. You tell me take a video of this shit, and then next thing you know, like
Still
eight.
recording?
Yeah, still recording. It's like 8 trains they're going through. Look, every time I go to shut it off, it's just another train pulls right in.
Ladies and gentlemen, after an earlier incident on the WLA train at 81st Street, we are saying that the delays for a WLA service have been Ladies and gentlemen, please use all available doors on the Queens-bound R train. Next stop will be 14th Street. Step all the way in, please. Use all available doors on the Queens-bound R train. This train will run on the M line, making all local stops to Queens Plaza. Next stop, 14th Street.
They even got to make it go local on the 6th Avenue.